What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be installing this 5x5 closure wig by Alipearl hair. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Before I install any wig, I like to add a little bit of alcohol to my skin just to make sure that the wig will stick better, and also just to get rid of any oil and makeup that might be on my skin that might prevent it from sticking or making it last as long as it could. And then I just go ahead and I put the wig on my head. So I am going to be using my Ebony Wonder Lace adhesive spray to apply this wig. Y'all know the routine. I always use this spray to apply my closure wigs. I just feel like it works the best. Like, it literally have it sticking and not going nowhere. It doesn't last as long as using a glue, but personally, y'all, I have never used a glue before, and I don't think I ever will. I just like my non-glueless options. So that is what I'm doing. And I also have a wig cap on, and I will leave the link in the description box to the wig caps that I use. And I do like to use 3 layers of this spray. The first 2 layers, I let them dry down completely. And then on the 3rd layer of spray, I just go ahead and I place the lace into the spray. And I start to melt it by using the tail of my rat tail comb. And I'm just pressing it in and making sure that it is completely melting and sticking in place. And then I'm going to take my Tresemme hairspray and this little edge comb, and I'm just going to spray a little bit of the hairspray on the edge comb and just comb my edges up so that it just makes my edges a little bit more sleek. And I just like that look of having almost like you just got like a fresh perm. This is kind of what that gives, so that's why I like to do it. And then I'm going to take this elastic band that I also got from Amazon. And like I said, everything will be linked in the description box down below. So if y'all have any questions, it's going to be linked. And I just tie my hair up just to melt it even further. And then I'm going to take my She Is Bomb wax stick, and I'm just going to apply this onto the top of the hair. I got to get my wigs flat, girl. I can't do the bulky wigs. And I'm just using this and this hot comb that I got from Target, and I'm using it on the hottest setting, as hot as it can get, because the hotter the hot comb is, the flatter your wig is. And I'm just running it through the wig, and then on the other side I'm going to do it in sections just to make sure that the wig is laid. And I prefer to use a wax stick to lay my wig down with the hot comb versus using like a hairspray or something, because the wax stick keeps the hair very soft at the top, versus when you use a spray, it'll make the hair kind of crunchy and hard, which I personally don't like. So that's why I use a wax stick. So, of course, with a wig, you can always skip the baby hairs if you would prefer. Me personally, I like to do baby hairs. I just really like how baby hairs look, especially on a side part. So, I am going to be doing baby hairs today. Y'all, look how melted that is. Oh my gosh. Get y'all them elastic bands. Them elastic bands going to have your stuff too melted. So, I'm just kind of plucking some of the baby hairs out because it was a little bit too thick for my liking. So, I'm just plucking it and pulling out the excess hair. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? And I like to use an eyebrow razor to cut my baby hair, and I just cut it at like a slanted angle. You say, do I wanna watch? Do I know what time it is right now? And then I'm gonna take a pencil flat iron and just curl the baby hairs upward. And I'm also gonna do the same for my real sideburns as well. I like to use my real sideburns whenever I'm doing a closure. I just prefer how it looks. So that is what I'm doing. And to lay my baby hairs, I'm going to use this mixture of Auntie Jackie's Fresh Patrol Mousse and also this Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel. And I just mix those together and I just lay my baby hairs. And I kind of go in a C motion until I get them how I like them.
I'll admit I'm sorry when I think I'm truly sorry. Things change, people change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would have changed you. You said you never traded no. And I believed you when they told me don't. But either way, you're still invited and I can't even lie to you. Swear these days all you say is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me.
And then for my sideburns, I'm going to use my Tresemme hairspray and spray it on my toothbrush. And I'm just going to lay my sideburns as well. And I try to do it with like a little curl at the end. It's so cute. I just love the little curl on the sideburns. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And then I'm going to go ahead and tie everything down with that same elastic band to make sure everything just sticks in place and I don't mess up my edges while they're still wet. So this is the hair in its natural state. This is just after I washed it. I didn't flat iron it or anything at all. And I decided that I wanted to do some wand curls with this hairstyle. I thought that would be so pretty. So I'm using this little Conair wand curler that I got from Target. And I'm just curling the curls away from my face. Y'all, this was so quick and easy to do. I just love wand curls because they are so quick and they look so good. Like the results was just so pretty. Y'all gonna see, like the results was just so pretty and I was upset. So I'm gonna let y'all watch me wand curl my hair and yeah. By the way, I actually didn't dye this wig jet black. Normally y'all know I love my jet black wigs. I just love how jet black looks, but this hair for some reason was just a little bit darker than other wigs that I've gotten. Normal wigs have like a very brownish color to it. This one had a slight brown tint, but for the most part it was like very black, so I just didn't feel the need to dye it jet black, and this is just how it looks. So I also didn't add any product to the hair before I started wand curling it. This is just the hair regular. I did condition it, of course, but other than that, this is just how it is.
Filled up, damn girl, I'll be getting back to you for sure. Man. Laced up, dripped up, sauced up, damn girl, I wanna ride with you. Waved up, growing up, had to get it poppin' with you. What if I pick you up from your house? We should get out. We haven't talked in a while, we should roll. See where it goes. I saw potential in you from the go. You know that I did. I don't know if you know, but I know who you are. You could be big as Madonna, just get in the car and then let's touch the road. Don't make other plans. Say you get up early, you work for the man. Well, he'll understand. Pull up, I'm pulling up on you in 10. Already on 10. Big as Madonna, I'll say it again. Soon as you get in, no. Ripped up, rocked up, damn girl, oh man, I don't know. Filled up, damn girl, I'll be getting back.
So these are the curls after I finish wand curling it, and I'm just gonna spray it with some of the Tresemme hairspray all over, and I'm just gonna kind of scrunch it up just to make sure that hairspray really is activating with the hair. Look how bouncy, it's just so pretty. And I just went ahead and I did the other side off of camera. Gorgeous. Do y'all see these curls? Like, get into it. Then I'm gonna take my Maybelline makeup, and this is in the color coconut, and this little fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna tap this on the lace just to get it to match my skin tone just a little bit better. And that HD lace is HD lacing, because you cannot convince me that this is not my real hair and that this wig is not coming out of my scalp. Like, what? It just looks so good and melty. I just love a good HD lace. And then I'm going to take my e.l.f. eyeliner. It just comes in this little pot, and I'm just dabbing it on the knots where I feel like it got not over bleached, but where I just wanted to cover it up a little bit. And then I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey in this little slanted angle brush, and I'm just going to trace out my part just to make it a little bit more defined. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away. Palm trees, beach views, good and every day. All I want to hear is in the pictures I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. And this is the finished product. I'm just gonna top it off with a little hairspray. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, y'all, so this is the end of the video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did doing it, because this was so much fun. I freaking love wand curls, y'all. It's just something about wand curls that just give the hair so much body, and it's just so bouncy. It's just so cute, y'all. I just love it so much. Definitely go check this wig out in my description box down below. This wig is by Alipearl, and this is in 26 inches. Of course, it's a 5x5. Y'all know I'm a closure queen, okay? It's a 5x5 closure wig, and it is body wave. I did not dye this hair. So cute. I love it so much. I will leave the link in the description box as well to all of the products that I used to do this install today, including the curling one, because that's like, she was like the start of this show right now. Like, do y'all see these curls? Get into it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on post notifications so that you can always be notified anytime your girl posts a video. And I'll definitely catch you guys in the next one.